Here we are on the bus, folks. We are headed to now the livestock, not stampede. Let's hope it's not a stampede. Drive Heritage Parade in San Antonio, Texas today. And we made it on the bus again. Look at that. Miracles never cease.
A cowboy.
That's right, I got the big hat on. More of a rain hat today. We made it down to where all the
Texas.
all the festivities are. You having like some kind of fit or what's going on? You are in Texas. All kinds of stuff going on. Getting ready for this livestock stampede and heritage parade. What's not to love? Free tasty cake.
How are y'all doing?
Good morning. How are you?
Good, good.
Would you like one of these?
There's juice and milk if y'all would like to just drink on the other side.
Okay, thank you. The line for the chuck wagon. Look at these old wagons. Chili and biscuits. Wow.
Yeah, they're cooking right over the fire.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Made a fire pit out of an old rim. Right in front of the Alamo.
Oh, I bet it is sausage and gravy.
Prepared by real cowboys. Taking much care of that. The guys over here the other night, they said they're going to be dancing right out here. Heading into the Alamo.
Goes around through the whole thing. Walk by and turn away.
Oops, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Stop.
I'm looking up. Old diorama of the Battle of the Alamo. This place was big. Talk about being outnumbered. Here we are out behind the Alamo. So this was all part of the fortress, I believe. Wow. Look at that fancy hotel. Pretty back here, isn't it? My baby's the photographer today.
No, there's two pilots now. But one pilot, because the pilot being the Red Brigade.
Having a good time? Good. You watch Cowboys on TV?
Of guns that were available to the 1860s through the 1890s and the old West.
We do the.
No, I'm just here.
Service.
Look at the bluing on that guy.
He's here.
Cool.
Yeah, no.
Big octagon barrel. Well, I bet that baby's heavy. So here's the scene. Everybody's waiting for the parade to start. Oh yeah, I think so. That she said was an optical illusion. You can see. So we got a pretty good spot. See, people are low. Look at the people. A lot of people. So the livestock's going to come right up through here. Viva! There they are. The cattle drive. No big deal. Yeah. Look at the longhorn. Oh, that's a horn. Look at the horns on top of it. Beautiful horses. Wow.
Wow, look at that one in the middle.
That's pretty cool.
The little ones, Tracy, the babies.
Keep it going because it's still coming. That's pretty unique.
Look at that big one. And then what's interesting is watching them get in over there at the end.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet.
We started out, we were going to be over there.
They're not wanting to. Wow, look, Tracy. They don't want to go nowhere.
There's something you don't see every day. Ah, there they go.
Look at that. They were.
Oh, they were going. They cut them off. Cut them off the path. Look at the little ones. Cute. Those dogs all look alike too, don't they?
Just friendly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know another way to be.
Yep.
Yeah, they come in increments. Yeah, no, and we appreciate them. We make a big time.
Absolutely.
They know.
So we have 12-foot garage and the bike's in the back. This girl looks nervous, doesn't she? Yeah!
How are y'all this morning?
Doing good.
Yeah.
Thank you. I've been in Sharif. Look, here comes the syrup. Sharif from Sharif.
¿Sharif? ¿Qué es eso?
No, no, es porque tiene la
Ah. Ah, Sharif.
Morning.
Beautiful horse.
Look at that fox figure on the back.
Coyote, are you?
Coyote, whatever. Woo! Go Jeff! Woo! Golazos! Yay!
¡Viva México! So,
Oh, they're so cute.
Mira.
Mira la niña de frente.
They're riding side saddle, huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, see?
yeah, sí, vas a mira, qué bonito.
Look at this guy, side
Oh,
saddle.
yeah.
Heladito.
You know what I always think of when I see those fruit bars? That time at Disney, they said no, don't eat it right away because it's so cold and stick to your tongue. And of course I did, and it stuck to my tongue. And I had to find a water fountain to get it off.
That's what happens when you don't.
It was like sticking your tongue to a metal pole up north.
Look, baby.
Look at this little miniature setup. You get a picture of that?
I will. I have a picture about everything here, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Almost messed around till you missed it. Here comes the cowboy.
Rowdy bunch.
Ain't nothing. Talk about the rodeo full of beer. First team. First
This
cow.
is nothing, huh? Mild.
Yeah. Wow. First cow.
Beautiful.
Look at the dog.
Oh.
That's how the Ford look. Oh, my son was, yeah.
Chelsea's still
Chelsea's
there.
still there, yeah. Our kids went to school with up north.
Oh, wow.
There's a kid that my son graduated with that's here in town right now.
Oh, yeah. We have bases.
The Air Force Base.
Yeah, back then, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, they're coming fast now, aren't they?
Yeah. It looks like it might be toward the end because there's a light back there.
Yeah, they're coming fast and furious.
We'll be safe here Sunday, right?
At the rate we're going, we'll be here next Sunday. It's pretty affordable when you're staying at these elk lodges. It's like $15 a night. Looks like Kenny Rogers driving home.
Yeah, my sister got married at this Catholic church. Yeah, sí fueron.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
Look how beautiful. Wow, that's nice. Wow.
Pretty fancy.
Uh-huh.
New stuff underneath it.
Oh my God.
Little
The
donkey.
doggy. Look at her doggy.
Look at the ears on this thing.
Hey, buddy!
Y vinieron del museo de los Yeah.
Hey.